Everyone, so now we are going to do the OSPF Metric Lab, like how OSPF is selecting metric. Theory we already discussed. Let's do one lab to verify that one. We can verify by doing some lab. So what I will do, I will take some router. If you see this here, you have the router. I can take, even we can take 2 router also, our wish, but anyhow I will take 3 router. So it will be easy for us to understand that one. So I will take the router, I will connect like this, and then I will connect from here to here, and from here to here we cannot connect because in this router you don't have the port. So I will go inside this router, I will switch off this router, and here if you click we can read, here we have the fast Ethernet. Like that we can read, if you read this one is a fast Ethernet to fast Ethernet. So I can just drag and drop here and power on the router. So we will have the port here, we can connect like this. But here if you see I connected fast Ethernet, I need the Ethernet just to verify that one. The theory whatever we discuss, the cost we want to verify, so I need to connect here Ethernet. So if I click this one and if I click here, it will show you whatever ports are available here. Now I have only one port is available, fast Ethernet 0x0. So I need to use the other port. So what I will do, I will go inside the router, power off the router and click here, and we can read here you have 2 Ethernet port. We can drag and drop here like this and power on the router. Then after that click here, when you click it will remove, and again click here, it will show you which option, which port you want to connect. So I will click here, I will connect like this. After that we can do the configuration, like whatever configuration we want to do. So to verify that one, the metric. So IP here I can write like this side we will use 192.168.1.1/24, and in between this router I will write 192.168.12.0/24, and this side I will write 192.168.2.1/24, and in between here I will write 192.168.23.0/24, and here I will write what we can say here. Here I will write 1 minute, someone is sending me a message, 1 second. So here what I can say, here we can put the IP 192.168.3.1/24. So this is the IP we can set here. This one we can put here, this interface, this one, this interface, this one, this interface. And here I can rename, I can say this one is a R1, this one is a R2, and we can say this one is a R3. So we have the 3 routers, and here we can say this is a subnet. Now we can configure. Configuration is simple like we done before, and if you want to connect here computers, you can connect one computer here, one computer here. So just we can say if any machine want to talk from this side to that side, how it will work, like how much it will charge, how much it will having the cost, we can figure out. So for that purpose I put here, but even if you did not put, that is okay, because we will check only going from here to here, going from here to here, how much it is charging. So we can have like this, and then what we can do here we can start doing the configuration. So first we need to configure the OSPF as we are configuring from starting. So we can take the notepad and we can configure here. Just we can use interface method or any method we can use. So I will write OSPF Metric Lab here, and then I will write here R1 configuration, enable config T, host name R1. Then we can write interface F0/1 here, and IP address, whatever IP we have we need to write that one, 192.168.12.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and we will write no shut, then interface F0/0. I will write here IP address 192.168.1.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and we will write no shut, and then we can write router OSPF 1, then interface. We need to enable the OSPF under the interface, all the interface, IP OSPF 1 area 0. You know already this how to enable, so just I am putting that one. Okay, IP OSPF 1 area 0. So this is a area 0 we are using, and this one is a R1 configuration, so we can copy paste this R1 configuration here, and I will put here no, and then I will paste the configuration. Okay, this one I put no error, nothing, everything is good here. I can save the configuration. So R1 configuration is done here. Now we need to do the R2 configuration. So I can take this, I can modify the same thing what we have here. So here I will put here, this is the R2, this is R2, and here you can see 0 by 1. So here you should have 12.2, and here you will have F0 by 0, this one. So here you will have 2.1 here, and this one is still we need to do. So I will copy and I will paste here, and we can write F1 by 0, so this will be 1. Okay, and this will be 23.1. This I am putting the IP address. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Just I put in this router R2 we have 3 interface, this one, this one, this one. F0 by 1 is first one, 12.1 we give here, so 12.2 here, and F0 by 0, this one is 2.1, so this is a 2.1 here, this one, sorry, this one 2.1, and then you have F1 by 0, this will be 23.1, so here is 23.1, and then we need to enable the OSPF. So OSPF we enable here, this one OSPF we enable here, and I will copy this one more, I will paste here, I will change this interface here, cross check everything is good, or any confusion here. Here I enable, here I enable, here I enable, so everything is good. Just we will copy and we will paste here inside this router. So I will go here, I will write here no, and then I will paste the configuration. I pasted, everything look good. Okay, then after that I will save the configuration WR. Then we can write R2 configuration is done. We can do the R3 configuration. So R3 configuration is similar to R1, 2 interface they have, like here and here. So I will copy the R1 configuration and we can modify here. So I will go here, I will paste here, and this one I will put R3, and this F0 by 1, so this will be 23.2. Okay, and here you see you have Ethernet here, ETH 1 by 0, and here 3.1. Okay, this one ETH 1 by 0, 192.168, 3.1, and when you enable the OSPF you need to change this interface here, this one. Clear? Just I enable OSPF, assigning the IP, enabling the OSPF, and then I will copy and I will paste here. I will copy and I will paste here. First I will write no, then I will paste here, and everything we see it is look good, and I will write WR to save the configuration. So it will take some time. After that we need to check, like we told, if anyone want to go from this side to this side, how much it will charge, means what will be the cost. So we are checking the outgoing interface. This one is outgoing, because how you know the outgoing or incoming means traffic is flowing like this. So traffic is going inside the router here from this side, and it is coming out from this side. So outgoing you need to check. This is a outgoing, this is a outgoing, this is a outgoing, right? Because it is coming out the router. How it is coming? Outgoing means which the traffic will come out to the router. Incoming means traffic is going into the router. Clear? Yes. So leaving the router. Yes. Entering the router is incoming. So now cost. How much will be the cost now? If we check, if we want to go from this side 192.168.1.1 to 3.0. How much will be cost now? We can say by seeing this one, this is 1, this is 1, because fast Ethernet is 1. You remember when we do the calculation, we told fast Ethernet is 1 cos. So 1 plus 1, and this one is 10. So total will be 12. So now we can go inside and we can check also total is 12 or not. So inside you can write show IP route. When you write show IP route, you can see here where we want to go. We want to go to 3.1, 3.0. So this is at 3.0. So you see cos, how much the metric is a cos, how much is a cos? 12. So this 1 plus 1 plus 10, 12. And if you want to check the interface cost also, like this interface is how much the cost of this interface, you can write show IP OSPF interface F0 by 1, press enter, and you can see for F0 by 1 is a cost 1. And here if you go here and here also, if you write show IP OSPF interface E, what is that interface? Is ETH 1 by 0. What is the cost of this one? Ethernet is cost is 10, this one. And also if anyone want to go from this side to this side here, so how much will be cost? Leaving means this one, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and leaving we need to check, not entering, leaving. So this is leaving, this is leaving, and this is leaving. So 3. So you will check here, you can go here in this one and write here show IP route and check if anyone want to go to 192.168.1.0 network. Where is 1.0 network? 1.0, this one. So cost use 3. So whatever theoretical we told, we check practically also. Okay, and also this is the Ethernet, cost is 10. If you check fast Ethernet, you have show IP OSPF fast Ethernet 0 by 1, and you 0 by 1, or what is that interface? Show IP OSPF interface, I need to put here INT. Yeah. So for fast Ethernet cost is 1, and total when we go from here to here cost will be 3. When you come from here to here cost will be 12. We verify already in the routing table, you will get that one. So any doubts, any confusion here? So this is a OSPF Metric Lab.